Happy Monday. Monday's ending in 6 minutes. Good riddance. Check the recording. Let's see what we have today. Sound. We have, Finland. We've got a massive lake in some places that probably no one's ever heard of. Got a train line going south. We have more places that probably no one's ever heard of. There are bilingual signs which I think indicate the west coast, either south or north, depending on what language that language is, which I do not know. Probably have the address up there. Can't read it though. Okay, Wolu, which I know where it is. It's in the middle here, and some other places, which I'll try to find right now. Coca-Cola. Surely at least one of them will show up. Coca-Cola is here. Ilsami, Nikusamu, and Ilsani. I don't know how it's sorted. Like, is it closest first? Or is it furthest first? Or is it something else? Isalmi. And Kusamu. Okay, what about we go that way and we see what's going on with the road? If the coverage will let me. Okay. Keskusta? Technological Park. Probably, oh god. Okay, Kokola and the other one is one side, Kusamu, and Wolu is the other side. Doesn't help that I can't find the other place, anywhere. We're probably in the middle. Bro, where is this other place? Are we by this lake? Lapaluoto? Did I see that somewhere? No, it's Lankukuja. Finland, I love you, but where are your places? Is this even the E8? Probably not. Oh great. E63. 2856. Well, 28 is here. 6 is here. Maybe we're in Kajani? By the lake? Boom! Nice one. Considering I didn't know what I was doing for most of the round. Probably saw Kajani a billion times. 4998, I'll take it. Kajani is known for its forestry and paper industry. Timber was once floated down rivers to the mills, and this tradition shapes the region's economy. That's actually really cool. That's like, yeah. Ooh, good profile picture. Whoever that is, XY based. Round number 2, we have some shitcam India, some Indian that I can't. Lucknow. Oh no, that's a place. It's definitely a place because I've heard of it. Don't know where it is though. Would be useful if I knew where it is. Lucknow. Can I have some luck now and find Lucknow, please? There it is. It's massive. Master in International Business and Management. Unfortunately, I don't think that's going to help me 5k this round. Unfortunately, I don't think we're 5king this round. If it even isn't Lucknow. Because it could just be like a town outside of Lucknow pointing towards Lucknow. Can't read that because the camera's too bad. SL. S for super. L for Lucknow. Now in Lucknow. Something Literary Rock or something? Like something starting with K and then something starting with L? Okay, what about we find the university? Is it this? That's a university. Not sure if it is the university. Is Taekwondo, where you can learn about self-defense, discipline, concentration, life skills, and focus. Buff bar. That sounds interesting. Look at that guy. Yeah, is there a road? Is this the road we're on? That's divided. This isn't divided. So probably not. We could be on this one. That's also divided. Okay. Are you the university? Okay. Did it just say Lucknow University? Well, which one is the Lucknow University? I don't know. Because there's like a bunch. Is this a grid that we're on? Like, what is the angle of the grid looking like? Oh, hello. Mahanagar. Can we see that? Mahanagar. Plot number sector C. What the hell does that mean? We made it onto that road, I think. Or something. Like, this stuff lines up. Do we have C road or something? Oh, I moved off it. Well, I moved off this, which would have been like 4999. But that's fine. To go more central, which doesn't make sense considering these roads line up. Lucknow University. It is downtown. Fair enough. It's right there, I think. University of Lucknow. Lucknow is famous for its Mughal and Awadhi architecture, with landmarks like the Bara Imambara, built in 1784, featuring one of the world's largest That's what it said. That's what it. Yeah, arced halls without supports. That's quite cool. I would like to see the hall. Please, Google. That's a very cool building. Central Hall, sure. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So let's go to round 3. We have Japan with Japanese. Probably haven't heard of that place. So we headed north. Now we're going east. We're trying to find like a road number or something because I still haven't learned the pole stuff you're supposed to learn. There's a massive city to our north. I'm gonna go south again because we can't seem to cross that river. That's probably the city's name. I'm gonna checkpoint this. Come on, give me one of those really nice blue signs with the road names and the neighboring towns. Miyodori Avenue. Or bus. Something central. That says South Hokkaido. That's very useful. Are those places? Those don't look like places to me. That second word means train station, I'm pretty sure. So, that's probably anything. Yeah, kids club. What? Is that the city? Oh, we could be like here. Actually, let's check out. That is north-south. City name in English, please. Something. Can I see that? Oh god. Yonemachi? Okay, I'm gonna go back to here and go this way this time. What the hell? Bro, I know what the city is called now, but I can't find it. Ooh. Loads of things in Hokkaido. Should have went this way. Still haven't heard of any of these places. Where's the 38? I don't know. Kushiro. Can I see it? I'm gonna go more south. Fair enough, that's also South Hokkaido. I never looked that way. Probably should have. Yeah. And massive city to our north. Oh yeah, yeah. Should maybe went towards the city. That roundabout would have been very useful if I went that way earlier on, but I didn't, alas. Kushiro is one of Japan's most important fishing ports, especially known for fresh seafood such as Pacific sauri and crab. Cool. And that's the kanji for future. Oh no, we have Southeast Asia again. Philippines? Which side are we driving? No idea. This gave Philippine vibes. Oh, is that the address? Philippines is actually like Mulasa? Is that the place? Philippines is actually a scanning simulator because there's so many cities. Well, unless you know it, of course. We also do need the info to start scanning. Oh, car. Might go the other way. That probably says the city on it, I just don't know which part it is. Calbayog City. Great stuff. Never heard of that. Let's scan for it. Oh my god, I found it. Wow. Oh, we're in this thingy. Purugi Dharam. We're on Purok 1. Which presumably means Road 1. Which unfortunately I do not see, but it's probably like this road. Or like Joseph or something. Interesting to have a road called Joseph. We're on the same angle but more extreme, which could be this or something else. I'm gonna go this way. Is that the way I went? Probably not. Okay, if we go south, the road ends and we're on like a big road. If we go south, the road ends and we're on a big road. Are we on? No, that doesn't line up with this though. I don't see any like big road. Philippine National Bank. Surely I'd be able to see that. Are we on this one? I'm gonna go back up here because that's what the sign said. Oh, by big road they meant big road. Surprise. Still no 5k, very sad. Calbayog is nicknamed the City of Waterfalls with more than 20 waterfalls in its surroundings, including Bangong and Tarangaban Falls. Let's choose one of those and see what it looks like. Wow. That looks really nice. For the last one, what the hell is this? Wait, shit comes South America? Ecuador? Or something? I love taxis. Can you give me the info, please? I don't know where they write some Ecuador ones. Is Marañón the city? Or is that like taxi in Spanish? No, taxi in Spanish is probably like taxi. Oh, that says Quito. So we're in Quito? Is there a massive park in the center of Quito with this grid? Quito is quite large, but it does have this kind of grid going on in some parts. Very inefficient use of time. Hotmail. Shout out to Hotmail. Of the road name, Jose M. Guerrero. We are not finding that LMAO. Hilly. Makes sense. Look, red plates. They don't really write their addresses on these thingies in South America, do they? Machala is here, which is scary. Okay, wait, okay. Oh my god, we're actually in Machala, I think. Wait, see our grid that lines up. This grid doesn't line up. Oh, is it like Machala Road in Quito or something? I don't know. Where should I go? I'm gonna go Machala. Oh, it could be like this bit, maybe. Please don't be Quito. No, it's Quito. God damn it. Oh, it was the part where I said it lines up as well, because it lines up. That sucks. Quito's historic center is one of the largest and best preserved in South America, and was among the first UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 1978. We do get gold, but it was like bad. The top 12.45%, that is disgusting. Well, not comparatively to sometimes, but comparatively to how we... I don't know, I felt bad, but like it wasn't actually that bad. We did use up all 15 minutes because I only like send early when I know after 5k. Yeah, okay, cool, goodbye, see you tomorrow. Yay.